Let's fill out the Oklahoma ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling or buying an ATV in this state, here's what you need to know to get the paperwork right. First, you'll need to fill out Form 718, which is the official bill of sale for an electronic title. This is your core document, so make sure it's completed fully and accurately. Now, both parties should be aware that this bill of sale must be notarized. So plan ahead and have a notary present when you sign, or visit one shortly after. The seller will need to provide a valid driver's license number or an FEI number if the seller is a business. This helps verify who is transferring ownership. You'll also need to complete a 701-7 application for a duplicate certificate of title. This is how the title transfer gets processed officially. The sale price must be documented, so be sure the purchase price is clearly written into your paperwork. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.